Hey, what's up, guys? So I got a package in today, and yeah, let's unravel it. It came from ECS Tuning, so let's figure out what's in here. Guys, as you saw in a little time lapse, this is the ECS Tuning gloss black rear spoiler. It's not all scratched up. I thought the same. It comes with a protective clear film on it that you can see kind of like right there that you'll peel off. So that'll peel off. I'll peel it off once I'm placing it on there. It's pretty cool. This one came with the 3M. It comes with the 3M already on it, so that's pretty neat. Should be a really easy install. And then right here, same thing. I thought it was scratched, but it's not. It's just the film, but I have the gloss black S-Line and S4 rear diffuser from ECS Tuning, and it is sick. Looks really good. It's gonna look really nice. I'll be putting it on later today. And I also have these right here. These are the gloss black S-Line emblems that go on the fenders. So I'll be swapping these out. Show you these a little better up close. They're pretty nice. I'm trying to get rid of all the chrome. And the last thing that's chrome would be the emblems front and rear, and the trim that goes around the molding trim that goes around the windows and everything. But yeah, we'll be putting all this on, and yeah, it's gonna be nice. But that's everything. It's gonna be sick. So yeah, let's get to that. Cool. So this also just came in, and all right. So what we got here? This one appears to be. Oh, this is gonna be my rear emblem. I know how to do this with one hand. Go ahead and do this with two. Flop it out. Oh man, it looks great too. It looks really good. Wow, that's really gonna pop. It's gonna look really good. Try to get it in the light a little more. Wow, that's really nice. Wow, don't mind my kitchen. But wow, that's gonna look great. And it looks like, oh crap, whoopsies. It's like this part just, maybe it's double-sided or something, I guess. Yeah. It's a weird design, but okay. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's very weird. But anyways, yeah. That's how the rear one goes on. It's a little weird. Trying to figure out which way it actually goes in. Yeah, it has to go in like this, so I have to push in. Anyways, but that's gonna look pretty sick on the back. Wow, it's like my counter has it right now. Audi counter, brought to you by Audi. Anyways, but and this is the front grill one. This one should just be like a clip in. Yep. Wow, that looks great. These both look amazing. Wow, that's the front one. Show you a little better. Wow, that's gonna look awesome. It's probably gonna look cooler with the RS honeycomb grill, but you know, until then, it'll be pretty nice. So good look there, and yeah, I'll pull my Audi in the garage, and we'll start working on it. So let's get it. All right, don't mind the garage, I'm moving. But anyways, check this out. This is a quick overview of what's going on. We're gonna be putting on the ECS Tuning gloss black diffuser, ECS Tuning rear spoiler. Still debating on this one right now because I might save that one
That's the car, by the way. Boom, looking angry. For the front grille, I feel like the black on this would look kind of weak, so I'll probably leave that chrome for now. But I will be putting on the rear emblem, and I will be installing the front S-Line badges. And yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and back in the car, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so we only have the spoiler on right now, but wow, it really goes with the curves, and it was super easy to install, and yeah, it looks awesome. So yeah, let me come up close, show you. I pulled the plastic off. It's very nice, very, very nice. Wow, and it goes perfectly. Wow, yeah. All right, now it's time to get this diffuser off, so let's get that. Alright guys, got the finished product now with the ECS spoiler and diffuser. So that's like a good side view, how it pokes. And now when you come back here for the diffuser, it looks pretty good. It looks really good. It's gonna look even better when I get some mean quad tips, but yeah, for now it looks pretty good. I'll pull it out in the sun and show you guys. The installation was alright. Some tabs were kind of weird. Like the tabs are a lot smaller on this. Like, so on this one, they are pretty thick. They're thicker, and the tabs on here are a lot smaller. But so there was some difficulty, but yeah, but it's pretty nice. But yeah, let me pull it out in the sun so you guys can look at it. All right, it came out pretty well. Yeah, this is like a good back photo right here. Yeah, it came out really nice though. The only thing I'm gonna do now is just put the rings on, and yeah, but from the side view, it's not really bad. Just give it a little more aggressive look. Can't wait to change out wheels and stuff, but definitely looks pretty good. Up close, that's what I was saying. So fitment's like really good here. Okay, I get this little protective screen off. Good here. It's not poking out right there. It's just like stuff I didn't get, but it's good, nice and flush. It's really good. It's good. It wasn't hard to install either. Then I put these rings on real quick.